This is my second look. Finger licking good. But I like that view. But I can't know how my face. Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. This is my second look. If you haven't seen my first vlog, check it out. Do you know where I went today? Finger licking good. Yes, today I went to the KFC. I love to eat crispy chicken and KFC. It's very tasty. Today is a very raining day. Do you see how the sky has turned black? Oh my god! But I like that view. After that, I came to the school town to shopping. Wow, there are many toys here. I feel like taking it all home, but I can't now. It's okay. You after watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment. And please subscribe my channel. My mommy bought me toys and clothes here. Now I am very tired. You can see how my face looks now. So now I am going in home. Let's go home and see what I get. Hi guys, now let's see what did I get. This is a car. And this one is color LCD writing tablet. This is a small fan. These are the clothes. T-shirt and t-shirt. That is today. See you again in a new video. Bye.